Student, today we take mathematics part first, standard 10, chapter number 2nd, quadratic equation. In this chapter, we take a small term, roots of a quadratic equation or solution of a quadratic equation. Let's see its definition. What is meant by roots of quadratic equation? The values of variable which satisfy the equation or the values for which both the sides of equation are equal are called roots or solution of the quadratic equation. In short, remember that when we substitute value of variable in the equation, then whether left hand side and right hand side of the equation both are equal, then the specific value of variable is called as roots of quadratic equation. Okay, now see an example. Determine whether x is equal to minus 6 is the root of quadratic equation x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. Here write down first LHS, that means x square plus 5x minus 6, and remember only that instead of x in the equation we have to put only value of x, that means minus 6. See, the first term is x square, therefore we can write here in bracket minus 6 bracket square. The second term is plus 5x, therefore we can write plus 5 in bracket minus 6 bracket complete minus 6. That means is become in bracket minus 6 bracket square plus 5 in bracket minus 6 bracket complete minus 6. Now we are know that the square of minus 6 is plus 36. Therefore, we can write here 36 plus in bracket minus 30 bracket complete minus 6. Minus 30 is the multiplication of plus 5 and minus 6. Now in the next step, we have to solve the bracket. The 36 is write down as it is. Plus minus, the sign of 30 is minus and minus 6. That means this step become 36 minus 30 minus 6. Now see, in the next step we can write here 36 minus 36. See, minus 30 minus 6, minus minus it becomes plus and the sign is minus. That means here when two numbers having sign minus, we do their addition, but the addition is having sign minus. Okay, therefore we write here 36 minus 36. Its subtraction is 0. Therefore we get left hand side is equal to 0 and right hand side of the equation is also 0. That means both left hand side and right hand side of the equations are equal. That means this equation is satisfied by x is equal to minus 6. Therefore, x is equal to minus 6 is the root of given quadratic equation. Now see, in the textbook at page number 33, an activity is given. The example is, if x is equal to 5 is the root of equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0, we have to find out value of k. And this activity is completed by filling the boxes. Okay. Now see solution. One of the roots of the equation kx square minus 14x minus 5 is equal to 0 is, in the box here we have to write down 5 because 5 is the value of variable. The next sentence is, substitute x is equal to, again in the box we can write down 5 in the equation. See the next step, k in the bracket, again value of variable 5 square minus 14 in box 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. That means remember, in this 3 step in the box we have to write down only value of variable, that means value of x, and which is 5. Okay, then see k into square of 5, that means 25k, minus 70. How this 70 comes? Minus 14 into 5, 14 5s are 70, minus 5 is equal to 0. Now in the next step, 25k minus 75 is equal to 0. How this 75 comes? See in the previous step, minus 70 minus 5. Again minus minus becomes plus. That means here addition of 70 and 5 is done, but the answer bearing sign minus. Okay, therefore the step is 25k minus 75 is equal to 0. Okay, now see in the next line, 25k is equal to, in the box 75 is written here. How this 75 is come? See, when 75 in the previous step, they are at left side of the equation, but when this constant term goes towards the right side of equal to sign, its sign should be changed. That means it becomes plus 75. Okay, and see in the next step, k is equal to, in both boxes here 75 upon 25. These two digits are written. Okay, how this 25r comes at denominator? See, there is multiplication sign in between 25 and k, and if we have to calculate value of k, this 25 which is in multiplication form, when goes towards the right side of equal to sign, then its sign is changed. It goes in division form, and therefore we can write k is equal to 75 upon 25. Now 25 ones are 25, 25 3s are 75, and therefore we get value of k is equal to 3. Thank you.